Today we are going to give you demonstration for finger spring. First of all, the wire. You need 0.6 mm SS round wire to make a finger spring. The basic design of the spring is there is an active arm, there is a coil or helix, then the active component, the coil or a helix, and a retentive component or retentive arm. Okay, the design is this is the helix, this is the active arm, this is the retentive arm. Always remember the helix is on the opposite side of the desired tooth movement. So if you want the tooth movement to take on this place, the helix is on the other side of the tooth movement. Okay, so this is the direction of desired tooth movement. First and foremost, you can form. Now, for this you need a wire approximately finger length. Straighten the wire to remove the residual stresses. First and foremost, we'll start with an active component or an active arm. Pinch out the end of the wire to make a loop so that it does not hurt the tissue. Something like this. Keep your model. The active arm starts from here, goes up to a gingival surface, comes over here and crosses over to the occlusal surface, and then the palatal surface comes over here to make it a helix. Helix is at a distance of 10 to 12 mm from the sulcus, from the gingival margin. Okay, and then you make a tag arm. Just remember the tag arm or the spring should not cross the midline. So over here we start. See to it, the contour you make goes according to the contour of gingiva over here. Place it on the tooth and check. It should fit properly. After this, give a 15-degree outward bend. Once you give a 15 to 20-degree outward bend, this wire gets adapted very properly to the tooth surface. This bend is more, I am reducing it still. Slight bend. Okay. At this point near the occlusal surface you have to mark to give an occlusal crossover bend. Follow the contour of the palate. Like this. Check after every bend. Now always remember, when you are making a helix, your active arm should be towards the tissue. Means the helix which you are making should be such that the wire should come up. So if you observe, this is the active arm, this is the helix, and this is the retentive arm. It means if I keep it like this, this is the pallet, this is your active arm, this would be helix, and this is the retentive arm. Check again for adaptation. Remember, it should not cross the midline. Excess, you can cut it off. Your finger spring is ready.